Today, we bring you the story of Max, the big and fluffy dog who risked his own life to save a little girl at the beach. This is a story of a four-legged friend who thinks big waves are too dangerous for a little girl, and how he used his quick thinking and bravery to rescue her. Join us as we unfold the incredible story of Max, the guardian dog who became a hero. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories. It was a beautiful summer day and the sun was shining bright over the beach. A big, fluffy dog named Max was enjoying a day out with his owner, playing in the waves and chasing seagulls. Suddenly, he heard a faint cry for help. At first, he wasn't sure where the cries came from, but as the cries grew louder, he knew he had to act. He quickly looked around, searching for the source of the cries, and that's when he saw the little girl struggling in the water. The waves were getting bigger and stronger by the minute, and the little girl was in trouble. Max's instincts kicked in, and he didn't hesitate for a moment. He quickly made his way towards the girl, dodging the waves and swimming as fast as he could. As he got closer, he could see that the girl was in real danger. The waves were too strong for her, and she was having trouble staying afloat. Max knew he had to act fast, and he used all his strength to reach the girl and grab her arm in his mouth. The little girl was scared, but Max's gentle grip and steady swimming soon calmed her down. She clung onto Max's fur for dear life as he made his way back to shore. The journey was long, but Max was determined to save the little girl, and he never let go. Max's owner, who had been watching from the beach, was amazed at the dog's bravery. She quickly took out her phone and started to record the rescue mission. The video quickly went viral on social media, with users marveling at the intelligence and quick response of this adorable furry giant. As Max approached the shore with the little girl, the mother's face lit up with relief. She ran towards them, tears streaming down her face, as she scooped up her daughter and hugged her tightly. The little girl was safe and sound, and the mother was grateful to Max for his bravery. She then turned to Max and gave him a big pat on the head and hugged him too, thanking him for his quick response and for saving her daughter's life. The crowd on the beach cheered and clapped, amazed by Max's heroism. The mother knew that she would never forget the sight of Max, the big, fluffy dog who had risked his own life to save her daughter. Max had done it. He had rescued the little girl from the dangerous waves and saved her life. From that day on, Max became a local hero, with people stopping to pet him and ask for pictures whenever he and his owner visited the beach. He was even featured on the local news, and the video of his rescue mission was shared thousands of times online. Max's owner was incredibly proud of her furry friend, and she couldn't believe how quickly he had responded to the situation. She knew that Max was more than just a pet, he was a true friend and a lifesaver. Years passed, and Max and the little girl grew up, but the story of their rescue mission remained a popular one. People still talked about the brave dog who had saved the little girl from the dangerous waves, and Max continued to be a beloved figure in their community. The little girl, now a young woman, often visited Max and his owner, and the three of them would take long walks on the beach. Max was always happy to see her, wagging his tail and licking her face, and she would always thank him for saving her life. Thank you for watching this amazing story of Max, the guardian dog who became a hero. We hope you enjoyed this heartwarming tale of bravery and heroism. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and spread the message of love and kindness. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories. Until next time, stay safe and keep spreading love and kindness.